Hey y'all, how are y'all doing today? I got my Grove order in yesterday. It's the first one I've had in months. Like early in the year was my last one. And this will probably be my last one of 2022. So I just wanted to share with y'all what I ordered. I think all of what I ordered is old favorites. I don't think I tried anything new, but if I get into the box and see that I did, we'll find out then. Okay, let's get this box open and see what's inside. Okay, what do we got? This is, let me grab my glasses, Method Foaming Tub and Tile Cleaner in Eucalyptus Mint Scent. Okay, I lied, y'all. I've never tried this before, so this was probably one that I saw that I wanted to try. We're going to see how this works very soon. And what do we got next? Some Method Glass Cleaner in the mint scent. Right now all I have is the waterfall scent, and I really like it. I've had the mint before. I used some of it, and my daughter Candace needed some, so I sent the rest to her. So I ordered me a new bottle of the mint. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, I guess these were free gift. The Pear Tree dish soap, and multi-surface spray, and some hand soap in the Mrs. Meyer's. And in order to ship now, I thought I ordered more than this. I guess I didn't. In order to ship now, I had to get some more stuff, so I got not one, not two, but 3 of the Mrs. Meyer's peppermint, because they had just came out with their holiday scents, and this is my all-time favorite Mrs. Meyer's spray. And I think I've got 2 in my cabinet, so this and that should definitely be enough to last 2 years, because I start off using it probably right after Thanksgiving, maybe sooner, who knows. And then I use it all the way through February because I love it so much, and peppermint just seems like a good holiday and Christmas, even a winter type scent to me. It's just really fresh and clean, and I love it. So that's what I ended up getting in my Grove order. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this quick Grove unboxing video today. Like I said, this will probably be my last time I order Grove this year, just because I really don't need anything else, y'all. If y'all have seen my last videos, you've seen my cleaning cabinet, and you know I've got plenty of cleaners in there. This was just something I really wanted, other than the foam tub and tile cleaner that I wanted to try out. My next video is probably going to be clean my pantry with me. I've been needing to do that for a while. And that'll be in my See No Evil series, the second video in that one. So y'all be on the lookout for that one next week. And I'll see you then. Y'all have a great day.